Until now, I thought this was the world. What we look at these days, who we look up to, and how we grow up, which determines who we are. A lot of people leave it without thinking. They die one day. This is not exactly what I want. This question does not let me sleep every day. I was afraid that if my life went on like this, it would be meaningless. It was then that an idea emerged for me, and I made a decision to get out of what we thought the world was. I took several attempts for it. There is always a change start from a single point. I put that point on May 22nd, 2020. When you think of the life you have all day, it's nothing. I always think every morning, I just found this day and don't do any kind of mistakes. But I think of that mistake all the day. For me, that mistake keeps me running on my mind. I was very addicted to watching the movies. Sometimes I even watch 8 cinemas a day. I have downloaded and watched 200 movies and continue with no other job. This smartphone social media does not matter to me. I never used it. Maximum Facebook visit 4 to 5 minutes. I have a nice normal mobile. I use it for a reason. Going outside would make me want to look around, not within mobile. We don't need mobile, but my one and only big weakness is cinema. There are some reason for this. Let's talk about it one day for sure. After all these movies I watch, this desire continued. This is no useful for my life, otherwise it ruining my good time. It was devouring my time without any help to my life. There are lot of great cinemas. There are a lot of cinemas that transform our lives. But the most difficult thing is that you find those movies. Even if you see good cinema, it is impossible to implement it in the life. So I wanted to get out of it first. I decided to quit watching cinema first. This journey is just the beginning. Finally, I decided to saw 100 of the world's best pictures. And now for a few weeks later, the cinema desire has come down. I have seen 4 films in the last 3 weeks. This is my first attempt. Always a change does not occur immediately. Changes can only be gradual, and I understand that it takes a lot of time. I decided to bring only one change first. And I realized that the biggest problem waiting for me when quit watching films, time going too slow. A single day, it was like a month. I've had a lot of time in a single day. What to do at the time? Just be myself and don't do nothing. If I can, this brain let us be. It is impossible. So I have to fill this time. We have to do something else to fill that space. But that process should be beneficial to us. I decided not to be so distracted by our actions. That thing I did for that was very simple. What is cinema? It is a mix of music, pictures and writing. When we watch cinema, both our eyes and ears are functioning. That's why it makes us slaves easily. So I decided to cut it in half. I first stopped watching the film and started listening to music. Music is not a music that sings with poetry. Listening to music played by one person will make our mind unnecessary imagination. So I started to listening only instrumental music. You believe or not, it really halved my distraction. It took me 3 or 4 years before I got to this. I will read the book someday. I will run for a week. Thinking of I can run one day, exercise for a week, but I won't do anything properly. And one day I decided it just 4 months ago. I think it's 2019 December. I decided to get up at early 5 to 5:30 in the morning and going to jog. I always get up at 5:30 am, so it doesn't seem like a big trouble for me. I thought running was so difficult for me. I start running every day. I won't stop it. It's really make me addicted, and I realize running make me high like some drug. After that, I couldn't stop running. Only then did I realize that not all changes can be made in a single day. But now running has become a daily habit for me. Finally, I understand how to change bad habits into good habits. Now I like to make a YouTube video that could reduce the more distractions. But everything I thought about YouTube, it was wrong. One day I watch a video and I have decided to make same type of video. The next day I will watch another channel and think of it is better than yesterday video. But I understand that there is no limit. I don't understand million of people have YouTube channel. There is more lie than the truth. People just love the fake. Some people make good videos, but that videos are not reaching the right people at the right time. It is stuck on the corner. So I made a decision that I wasn't going to watch any of the channels. I am going to share with you some of the things that make me happy in my life. Surely this may be helpful to you, but it can add tremendous benefits to me. I hope YouTube will be a great platform for me to share my ideas, what I learned in this world. I am not saying that all of you will be like me. Some people will sleep today and wake up tomorrow and quit some bad habits and never do that again. For some people can take a week or a month or even years, but if we try, the changes must come to itself. First of all, what we need to become, and we start to think of why this life given to me, and the changes become automatic. Some people, they are very afraid of changing habit, fearing that their happy situation will be gone. Some people go on a crutch without even knowing what we are doing is wrong. They are known only to blame others. They clearly don't do anything. We are not those people who are really want to change bad habits for a good life. And people like me come to travel with me. We could travel along for a good life.